Hi everyone, welcome back to MICHAIR's channel. It's been quite a while since we last meet you guys here. But anyway, it's a pleasure to be back here with you guys today. In this video, let's discuss the differences between human hair and synthetic hair. Here we go. There are multiple ways to differentiate human hair and synthetic hair. We already made a video about that, so you can check out this video in the description box. This time, we're gonna dive into the other differences that you may or may not know about. Okay, so let's compare the two hair in different aspects. Origin. Human hair is the hair that grows naturally from your scalp. The hair is made of 95% keratin with some other natural substance. There's only one way to get human hair, which is to cut from hair donors. Synthetic hair is an artificial product made of polymer fibers to resemble natural human hair. It can be easily made and widely used due to its availability. Texture. Just by looking at these two types of hair, you can already tell the differences. The synthetic hair looks more glossy, shiny, and less natural. When you actually touch each one of them, you'll notice that the feel of the hair contact with your skin is very different. With human hair, it feels more natural and smooth with permanent gloss, while with synthetic hair, the feel is less satisfying and certainly not authentic. Quality. Of course, everything that is original is mostly better, and hair is not an exception. Not only does human hair look better, it is also more durable compared to synthetic hair. Human hair can last around a year, when synthetic hair can last for 1 or 2 months under proper care. Price. With limited resources and better quality, it is no doubt that human hair is gonna be more expensive, while synthetic hair is much cheaper and available on a large scale with various colors and styles. Style. This is the biggest difference between the two types of hair. While synthetic hair can be varied in styles, you can hardly change the style of the hair that you own. They have poor heat resistance and can hardly be bleached or dyed. This is not the case with human hair. You can easily bleach, dye, or style human hair any way you like. And there you have it, guys. These are the differences between human hair and synthetic hair. I hope you all enjoyed the video. You can support us by giving us a thumbs up, subscribe to MICHAIR Company if you are new, and hit the notification bell to get updates about future content. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!